Hola amigos, today I want to share with you my ensalada de nochebuena or Mexican Christmas Eve. Now I make mine a little bit different, but we start off with a dressing made of fresh orange juice, olive oil, freshly squeezed lime juice, and we're going to add a little bit of salt and ground black pepper to it, and a little bit of agave just to balance out the tartness. And then we're just gonna stir that all up until it's nice and well and combined, and set that aside. Now you can use romaine lettuce or whatever type of lettuce you want. Just don't use iceberg lettuce because it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. And then it consists of beets, orange, apple, and jicama. Now you can chop these up as however you'd like. This is how I like to do it. And then we're going to sprinkle some roasted unsalted peanuts over it, and then the dressing. Now traditionally also pomegranate seeds are used, but they're not in season where I live. And the other way to do it is just to mix everything together. But I like to serve it like this, more of a salad, like as an appetizer, but it's completely up to you. And you can serve this as a side dish, appetizer, however you'd like. Feliz Navidad!